Many of you have been making your own face masks at home, and we've had lots of questions in about which material you should use. What's clear in the research is you should try and use a material or a fabric that has a really tight weave. If you've ever bought bedding before, you'll call this a thread count. The higher the thread count, the better for a mask. Let's take a look at some fabrics up close. Man-made materials like polyester tend to have lots of holes in them. Let's take a look under the microscope. You can see that actually there are lots and lots of holes in this polyester fabric. This is bad, as the point of a mask is to stop respiratory droplets, and the holes are where these droplets can come in and out of. Let me show you the difference with this cotton tea towel. So you can see that there are fewer holes as it's a much tighter weave of fabric. So this is great for mask making. Now let's compare this to the professional stuff, an N95 mask. Take a look and you can see it's made up of a very tight set of fibers. If I hold it up to the light, I can also not see any holes through it. And this is a really simple trick to use if you don't have your own microscope to evaluate your fabrics. Just hold your fabric up to the light. If you can see lots of light shining through, then it's probably not great for mask making. Research shows that if you're making your own mask, it should ideally have 2 or 3 layers. If you haven't seen how to make a mask quickly, remember, just fold a square of fabric, add 2 hair ties around like this, fold it over like so, and then you can just quickly place it over your mouth. I hope that helps. Stay safe.